I know so Whisper score 2, I don't know how much Jamaica score, but yeah, 2 plus something.
This is the fun experience in the National Stadium at the Nations League game between Jamaica and Honduras. Enjoy.
Subscribe to This and That Sports TV.
Honduras.
Go there with some Reggae Boyz fans. We might not know them, but introduce yourself real quick.
Yeah man, Pitbull.
Kiddo, everybody know Kiddo.
Everybody know him. Watch it, we'll talk about the game real quick. How do you feel about the Reggae Boyz today?
Well, I like the starting lineup. I'm looking to see Whisper and the Marley Grey.
I'm not telling a lie, I just Whisper with their far, you don't know, the killer.
Alright, the 17-year-old get the start. You know, over a lot of players that are in competition right now, he's not actively playing any competitive football. When you think that there was certain controversy, how do you feel about it?
Clearly he's been producing the goods in training and that's where he's getting his game time from. That means he's training well and the others aren't.
Well, personally I have no doubt in his talent, let's just watch him.
Alright, give me a quick score prediction. How do you think the game are going today?
3-1 Jamaica.
I know so Whisper score 2, I don't know how much Jamaica score, but yeah, 2 plus something.
Alright, so we're there with a young Reggae Boyz fan right now. I can tell you what his favourite player, but I can ask. You know the current Reggae Boyz squad, who is your favourite player?
The Marley Grey.
The Marley Grey, I get it wrong. I think I'm going to say Leon Bailey. Alright, how do you feel about the Reggae Boyz today?
Last time we played them, we got a comfortable 1-0 lead. But in training, it looks like we're joking around a bit.
Alright, you play any football?
Yeah.
Which position you play?
Centre back and striker.
Centre back and what?
Striker.
And striker. Alright, here what you have to tell me right now. One player on the Reggae Boyz squad right now that they can say you play like. You know, we have Damien Lowe, Ethan Pinnock. Talk to me.
I don't know from centre back, but when Antonio's playing good, I can play like him.
Alright, you can play like Antonio. Give me a quick score prediction. How much Jamaica will give Honduras today?
3-1.
3-1 from the young Reggae Boyz fan. Big up yourself, my general. Centre back, forward. Ready? Alright, so we're there with a female Reggae Boyz fan right now. I'm going to keep it simple. Give me a score prediction. How the match have done today?
2-1 in favour of Jamaica.
Jamaica will beat Honduras 2-1. I see your part, the little juvenile. Can I ask him? Alright, how much game have done tonight? What is the score line?
2-1.
2-1, him agree with her. Alright, generals, we can ask him the score line. How the game have done tonight?
4-love.
4-love. Jamaica, what was score? Can I even know this?
I scored 2.
Who else?
And Bailey has scored 1.
Yeah.
And
Who else? Them are start, Bobby Reed start.
Them are has scored 1.
Alright, give me. Yeah man, 4-love. Remember, and if the game done, I come right back to you. Long time when I beat Honduras 4. Give me a score prediction.
2-1 in favour of Jamaica.
From our fans in the National Stadium, not a lot here, but we still have to talk to them. You see it? Big up. First of all, he's an elder, so I have to ask him, how long have you been, really following the Reggae Boyz?
From in the 80s.
From in the 80s, so you did I got to match them in the 97 while we are qualified for the World Cup?
Yeah man.
Alright. May I put up on the spot. In the 98 squad, who was your favourite player?
Theodore Tapper with more.
Theodore Tapper. You can't go wrong with Tapper. On this game though, how you feel about your Reggae Boyz today?
Well, them come together for 2 days. So I don't think them know each other very well, but I think they should be a good showing of themselves. I look about a 2-love win.
Alright, the big news in the starting lineup, the 17-year-old Dujan Whisper Richards gets the start over players that are in playing competitive football right now. How you feel about that? You're excited about it? You're looking forward to the kid? Or is it a wrong move from the coach? How you feel about it?
Well, I was surprised when I see the starting. I say I'm in the starting team, but I'm excited. Give the youngster him break. I think him deserve it.
Alright, quick score prediction. How the game are done today? We are playing a competent Honduras squad. They are nothing to be trifled with. How will the score finish tonight?
2-love.
2-love to Jamaica.
If you look on the match.
Yeah, that's what we look on. I know you have played. Look at the ball game. I know yourself so.
Alright, first off, I was still the 0-0. Tell me what you think about the match so far.
Well, as far as we can say, the Honduras team were playing a better ball. The attack from the Jamaica side, the weak. See the midfield doing the job with them to done. And the defense is weak. But I do give the Honduras the first half as a better game plan.
Alright, so you think we're going to pull through and win the game, yeah?
Well, according to how we see the game going, I don't the second half gonna be that good. We're gonna see what are gonna take place and go back and move on from that.
So despite Reggae Boyz still getting it wrong according to you, which player does it stood out so far in the first half? Which player would you say stood out even though the Reggae Boyz did not have a good first half?
Well, as far as I can see right now, you see, I cannot really pick out any specific player to say that he's done a good job.
Evenly balanced team. I think both teams are playing very well. Honduras seem to be a very well-oiled machine. Their passes, their movements, very great. We are getting better as the game progresses, to the extent that we had several shots, towards the end of the first half. So it's a good look going to the second half.
All right, so you think we can pull off this win?
Definitely, we are getting the chances, So we just need to, convert our chances, and we should be able to secure a victory.
And which set of Reggae Boyz would you say are performing well thus far?
The team in general, I would say they are performing well. I think that Whisper is the man to watch for the second half. You saw that shot that he had towards the end of the first half where it hit the post and came back out. So if he continue, he will definitely score in this game.
How much water you want with that?
Man say, give it two.
Man push out the way so that Jaja you would.
We have beef for a while.
General.
Respect. Half time, Reggae Boyz fan. How the match are going so far?
Really still, we not get the full thing what we really want, because the man them not really step up the game to the level what we really expect, you see me? But when a big one level, just have to see what the second half I can bring on, We hope for the best of Jamaica, same way. We just have to still look for a 2-0 victory. A goal from Leon Bailey of course, and even the newcomer Dushan Richards as a youngster, you don't know. We want him to step up out of the highlight from the Manning Cup and you don't know. And make him name on the international team the right way.
So where do you expect to see more from today?
Well, really, as I say, but I don't know, I support youth, you see me? So I just come to see Dushan, because I don't know, is a youth take Manning Cup to a level they last year. I would just look for him stand out more this year, even in the international level. I don't know, it's a big signing for Jamaica from the Chelsea, which every youngster would look up to and say, yo, Premier League style, and are the most watched league in the world. So everybody there look out for say, yo, Dushan, you see me? Because I want to make him name, you see me? Because I don't know, I want Reggae Boy.
I see you now, Man U shirt. Yeah. I just mentioned Chelsea. You're truly happy for Whisper or you wish you did go Man U?
Well, you don't know, Man U, you see me, from birth tight, you see me? Not gonna lie. But you don't know, when opportunity arise, anything we go from a Jamaica, I just test out. Can you see, we have them are Reggae, we represent a different country, a different club. You see me, I just saw the thing said, Aston Villa for Leon Bailey, and you don't know, I just saw the thing go.
Alright, so what we need to improve, finally, what we need to improve going into the second half?
What we see so far, the midfield need to come up more and support the forward, and likewise the defender to step up, the defense to step up and push the midfield so them can push up on the forward, so can create more chance and more space to evil Whisper. So once him play with space, him critical, him very lethal when it comes to space. You see me? I love to see him just get some more opportunity. I hope the coach give him more chance in the second half to make him prove himself.
What you say? The midfield a little bit too deep.
Yeah, too deep. They need to step up more.
Oh, there with the Reggae Boyz fan. How do you think the game are going so far?
The game are going good so far, but when I see the midfield for Jamaica, is it?
Alright, where do you expect to see better from today?
Gray.
You expect to see more from them or Gray?
Yeah, I expect to see more from Gray, but I probably want confident issue. Could the guy in the locker room go fix it,
Alright, you're a young youth. That means you know about Dujan Richards, you know about Whisper. How you think him a going so far?
You know, for a 17-year-old, him fitting I think good, is it? So, him a going good, is it?
How do you think about that shot that him take while ago? Almost put Jamaica ahead.
Yo, that shot there sick. You know him kill the boy, rockabye, him gone. You see?
I lie. Alright, what need to improve going into the second half?
Just improve in midfield and knock the ball and stop go long so much, is it?
Alright, give me a scoreline now. How the game have done?
Me I say like a at 1-0 Jamaica.
At 1-0?
Yeah.
Jamaica won Honduras still. How do you feel about the game?
Well, yeah, man, Jamaica executed a good game today. You know, we can work a bit on the defending, but in terms of attacking, show some quality, so we're glad for that.
So how far you feel we go in this Nations League?
Yeah, man, we feel like first step we can qualify and then we can reach a semi-finals or even a final, so looking good.
And who would you say is your standout player for tonight?
Definitely the Reggae.
Jamaica won Honduras still. What do you have to say about the game?
Yeah, what I have to say about the game? Well, the game was well intriguing, you know. Whisper get a goal from the first half, him should have scored. You see? A long time for come off, you know, but 2 minutes now, I can't take him off. You see? I feel him problem that. Anyway, we play good, we win anyway. We give thanks to the win. Goodbye. Thank you for your time.
That's it. Jaja
Like and subscribe to this or that Sports TV.